This is DOOGEE T30 Pro, and today I'll show how you can use the Talkback feature on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch settings. Then here find and enter the accessibility category. Here it is. Now open the Talkback page and well, you can enable the Talkback using and disable it using this toggle like that.
Close tutorial. Close. Settings on left. Use. Settings on left. Stop. Talkback off.
But there is way more convenient way to do that. I mean, method, should I say. So enable the Talkback shortcut. Then you can also open its settings and switch on the hold volume keys option as well. So now there are two ways you can enable and disable the Talkback by respectively by using this shortcut here, which you can move around, hide if you want to, just do everything that you want to with it. I mean, just go into settings and change your properties, or I mean, just change those preferences to match your needs. I mean, now you can tap at this shortcut to enable
on. Set on. Talkback off.
or disable the accessibility. Or you can also both press and hold both volume keys for about 3 seconds to enable it now.
Press and hold. Talkback on.
And disable.
Volume keys. Talkback turned on. Talkback off.
So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.